Hi, welcome to another video of Monica Barnes Art. Today I am doing the third layer on a painting that I started a while back. Unfortunately I did not do the video on the first two layers, but this is my third and final layer. It is an ocean scene. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm using. I am using the Colour Cottage Totally Teal, Autumn Gold, Honey Gold Shimmer, Star White Shimmer, and Emerald Green. I love the Colour Cottage. They make the best mica in the world, my opinion. Okay, so I mixed up my resin. Today I am using art resin because it's such a big painting and this has the most working time of all the resins that I've ever used. So it is a mixture of 1:1, so I put a cup and a half of the hardener to a cup and a half of the resin. Now I'm just going to pour it into my colors. Actually, I should have mixed this in a bigger cup. I was not thinking with that color, because I want that color, more of that color than anything. And this is the rest of the clear. I want to put the clear on the rest of the board. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this up. I know I was missing a tongue depressor somewhere. And I have an extra cup. So I'm just going to mix these up real quick. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so I got these mixed up. I'm going to start with my gold. My yellow gold. I got shit everywhere. Gotta make room. I might not have mixed up enough, huh? I didn't think I'd need that much, but I guess I do. That sucks. Right up against that water line. And give the sand a little bit of texture here and there. I like the contrast of these two golds. Awesome. I was afraid that like when I used them you wouldn't be able to tell the difference, but you can definitely see the difference. Okay, so unfortunately when I made this painting, the first and second video did not turn out. So you're seeing the final video that I'm making right now. But on the first video I did use sapphire blue, I used purple, and I did use a lighter blue, but it didn't turn out as well as I thought. That's why I'm doing this third and final coat. So hopefully this will work out a lot better. A little bit lighter. I should have just used their Seaside Blue because it's a really light blue and it's exactly the color I needed. But what's done is done. Oh, that's pretty. There's a lot of purple in this piece. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to cover that up because I like that color. couple drops of white. Dun, dun, dun. Voila. Okay, where's my clear? And I'll pour my clear on here. Usually I pour my clear on first and then do all this, but you know. I should have taped my sides, damn it. Okay, so anyway, I didn't do that. Hair. There's a hair. There's a friggin' hair. Did I get it? I cannot afford anything to go wrong with this painting. Okay? No, can't. No, cannot do that. This. Yeah. I'm just blending all these colors together. I don't want them stripy looking, especially for like an ocean, you know. So pretty. Love it. I love it. I love it. I just need a little bit more I think of the white needs to be a little bit more right here. Just a little. Now, my dear, I think I'm happy. I think I'm done. Yeah, right. I don't know. I like it. I think we're going to keep it the way it is. I think. Third and final layer. That's a lot of work. Okay, it is finished. It's moved quite a bit. I hate when the white moves like that so much, but you know, it does give it a little bit of something. I tried to push that blue forward into the white, but the white had a mind of its own. You know how resin is. I really did try, but I like it. I think it's pretty. It's hard to get the whole thing in the video because I am standing on a ladder. Well, I was standing on a ladder. There you go. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate everybody watching. I'm gonna wait till this sets up, show you what it looks like on the wall. It is a few hours later than what I did it, and that's why it's moved so much. But I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know your thoughts and your comments. Thanks, everybody. Say bye, Duke. Dookie. Duke. So underneath my video, up on the right hand side, there's a little triangle. If you click on that, that will bring down the description and everything I've ever used on my videos. All the materials, you can click on anything. It will take you to Amazon. I do get a small percentage of that. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps me and it also helps you. So, and also the ads, I know they're a pain in the ass, but if you just watch 5 or 10 seconds of them, I do get a few cents from each one. It helps my video going. Thanks so much.